How to turn on app lock on WhatsApp without any third-party apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn on the app lock on WhatsApp without having to download any third-party apps. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. As you guys know, in many modern Android phones, you will get an inbuilt app locker which allows you to lock any app that you want on your device, but in some cases, you don't get the app locker by default. So WhatsApp has given us this feature where it allows us to lock this app particularly. To do that, tap on your WhatsApp and then head over to your settings by tapping on the three lines. And once you land on the settings page, simply head over to the privacy settings because all of the lock system are related to your privacy and security settings. Scroll down and you'll find this something called app lock and chat lock. These two are different things. So app lock is required for you to enter the app. So if this is enabled, you'll have to provide your app lock and unlock it to enter the app. And chat lock is to enter only a certain chat. So to lock the entire app, just turn it on. So as you can see, it's asking me to unlock with biometrics. I'm just going to go ahead and provide my fingerprint here. And then if I tap this immediately, then if I just exit my WhatsApp and try to open it again, it's asking me to unlock my device. So if I just provide my fingerprint, it's automatically gonna unlock it for me. So that's how you turn on the app lock on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.